What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon. That way you're notified every time we go live and we post new YouTube videos on the daily, and you're not going to want to miss any of them. But today I wanted to talk about a new scam that has been going crazy in 2022 and has actually caught the eye of the FBI, and they are warning investors about this scam because it's so good. The scam is called pig butchering, and we're going to do a deep dive into it. Let's get into pig butchering. So what is pig butchering? Pig butchering is another word for a romance scam where scamsters target lonely web users and manipulate them for money. The trend originated in Southeast Asia and translates to this Chinese word right here, which I'm not going to try to translate for everybody because I can't read Chinese. However, the word means a farmer fattening up the pig with food before butchering it. So what it means in the crypto sphere of things is that the scammer will warm up their victim through romance and then steal their cryptos after gaining their trust. So this is a slow process where the scammer will take, a few months to build up a genuine connection or romance with a unsuspecting victim, and then they will slowly start asking them for either money or cryptocurrency. And once they steal all of your crypto, then they're gone to the wind, never to be seen again, and then they repeat the process. So a few red flags that you might hear when dealing with scammers like this is they'll try to say that we can be happy together, or that you can get rich really quickly. They'll also try to make you comfortable. They get close to you. They might say that they can help out your family or your friends, or whatever they can to try to reassure you that what you're doing is safe and that they're there to help. So the FBI explains that the fraud is named for the way that scammers feed their victims with promises of romance and riches before cutting them off and taking all their money. Now, there was a 22-year-old Reddit user that was actually a victim of pig butchering, and what he said was that it was a slow scam. They first gain your trust, and then they let you withdraw some of your funds to feel confident before slowly taking the rest of your money. So really be on the lookout for the red flags. I feel like the saying "don't talk to strangers" is really fitting in this situation, especially when a stranger is asking you for money. You never really want to give your money to somebody that you have never met before, personally, or haven't personally known for years and years. So yeah, I feel like this scam is very avoidable. However, it's very easy to get taken advantage of, especially if you're lonely and you're looking for companionship. So just please be on the lookout for this type of scam, because it is growing in popularity and people are getting manipulated by this. If you made it through the video, I really appreciate it. Please make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, and be on the lookout for more YouTube videos on ClearCryptos. Thanks so much. I'll catch you next time. Peace.